Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to create your PayPal account. I will explain everything how you can create fully verified PayPal account. So let's start. So first of all, open your browser and type PayPal, PAYPAL. After type PayPal, let me type PayPal. After entering, you will see the first option paypal.com. Click here. uh, when you click on PayPal, you will redirect to paypal.com website. Here you will see the home page of paypal.com. You need to click uh, sign up, and here you will see two options, individual account and business account. You need to select business account for creating business account, and after selecting business account you need to click on next button. So you can select anything from these drop downs. So guys, let me select all fields, and after selection we need to click on this next button, page reloading. So here you will see a screen where you need to enter your email address, which will be your PayPal ID. So you need to enter valid email ID, and after submit you can create your password. See, here are some conditions to create your password. So you need to set 8-character password. So let me create my password. So after click on submit button, you have to select your business type. I am selecting individual, and here is a form which need to be filled. So select your products, like I am selecting computer programming and purpose code, and there one more option, your PAN card. So I am selecting my PAN number, and for CC statement name, so I am entering my name here. And another option is optional, so you can fill out or not, and click on this submit button. So after submit, here one more form open. Here you have to submit your personal information. So I am entering my personal data: first name, last name, middle name, date of birth and address. So I am filling this form. Your primary address and your mobile number. And here one more drop down is primary currency. Here you can select any currency type. I am selecting Indian rupees. So fill out this form. Let me enter my mobile number, and after entering mobile number, select agreement checkbox and click on agree and continue button. So it will take some time to reload page, and after this you will redirect it to the main page. Means your account has created, but you need to verify something. So click on this first option to confirm your email address and go to your email. So open your email account. So I'm logging to my Gmail account. You have to log in same email account which you have entered in your PayPal registration. So I'm logging my email account. And in updates, see the first option to activate your account. Open this mail and click on this button to activate your email address. So see, you have to enter your password and confirm email address. So now your email has been verified. So now my email has been verified. Now I am linking my bank account. So for linking your bank account, click on this link and here you will see some account details. You have to enter your account number, IFSC code, and select business or personal which you want to add and click on link your bank. So after linking your bank, here you will see you will receive two small deposits, means two small deposits from PayPal received in your account. And after request deposit, you have to wait at least 24 hours. So you will get the two deposit. For now I am uploading my KYC documents. So click on this agree button and uploading my identity proof. For identity proof I am uploading my PAN card. So now my PAN card uploaded and I am submitting my PAN card information. So see this green tick. Now I have to upload my address proof. So I am uploading my Aadhaar card. So I am selecting both images. Now image uploaded and click on the submit button. So my two documents uploaded. Now I have to upload my bank statement, bank document. So you can select bank, letter, passbook or cancel check. I am selecting bank statement and uploading my statement. So my document is uploading. I uploaded PDF of bank statement and click on the submit button. So now my all KYC document uploaded and click on this go to account overview button. So here now my KYC document submitted, and for more setup I have to click on this go to setup button. Now I have received two small deposit from bank and I am clicking on this link your bank account and entering same IFSC code and account number which you request deposit from PayPal. So I am entering here. I get two deposit from PayPal in my account number. If you not received this deposit, you need to wait at least 24 hours. See here two deposit I have received, so I am entering both deposits in these two fields. So deposit 1 and deposit to 1.16 and 1.18 rupees, and I'm click on this confirm button. So guys, my account has been confirmed. So guys, now I can send and receive international payment, national payment. So guys, in the next video I will tell you how to receive and send payments from PayPal. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.